Hi guys, I'd like to show you a little pineapple that I recently made. It was just my first try, so there are some edges that I'm not happy about, but it's actually, I think, was really good experience. I'm gonna try again, and I think for the first try it went really well. So I'd like it to be a pin for a dress, or maybe just for some casual jacket, for example like denim jacket. I think it's gonna be really fun, and I'd like to show you today how I'm gonna attach a pin to this little pineapple so it can be actually attached to a cloth. We're gonna need actual pineapple, a little pin, scissors, yarn needle, and the yarn. Pull this yarn through a needle hole. Okay, we don't need a really long end, so I think that's gonna be more than enough. Make a little knot here. I'm just gonna see where it's gonna be better to attach a pin. I think that's gonna be better somewhere here. I'm gonna go through pineapple somewhere in the yellow part, and I'm going through there one side to another one here. I'm gonna use these ones just to help me. Okay, so we go in a hole of our pin. That's set. Going through the another hole of our pin, and that's okay to go on the other side. Just to make it attach. Going in the same end here, but just directing my needle a little bit in angle, so it's not gonna be the same way, and the thread gonna be attached or tangled in a filling, and it's gonna be good for that side. So in here we actually like making it like that, so no one gonna see additional thread or anything like that. And on this side it goes perfectly in a hole. It's also good. So we go in this in the middle hole again. And again I'm going inside in the same way where I see my yarn here, and I'm going just inside of the middle hole, and I'm going in the first hole that we made, and we can go in on the other side again, and we need a little bit of help again. Just checking everything not supposed to be really tight, because it's gonna ruin our knitting. In the same hole here, going inside and finding our middle hole. As for me, going 2 times through the holes, it's more than enough with the yarn, so I'm not gonna do more. I'm just gonna hide our thread inside again, and I'm gonna be going through my knitting a few times just to hide a thread, end of the thread or yarn inside, and just to, you know, to attach it, to fix it. And it actually can be in a way that you like it. There is no specific pattern or specific approach that you have to follow. It's what you gonna see, how you see it. You just need to follow that. It's not gonna be like additional yarn overlapping somewhere, so it's supposed to be like in the same hole or really close to the ones that you pull in the thread from. And at the end, what I'm gonna do, tie a thread here, just make a little knot like that. I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna pull it, so we have 2 knots here, or just ties here. I'm gonna cut the rest of the thread somewhere here. We don't need it to be really long. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use just crochet just to pull it somewhere inside. So I'm going in the same hole as our thread is, just taking the thread and taking it inside. Yeah, so now we hide our end of the yarn and we can't see where it went. So it's actually really good stitching here. You don't see the yarn anywhere. It didn't ruin our pattern, but it's securely attached. So now we have a little pineapple pin.